On guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Right now we're out mowing lawns. I've been getting so many questions. Peter, how can I grow my lawn and landscaping business? How can I go out there this summer to start making money mowing lawns? And I'm out here servicing a few properties. Behind me is a trailer. And guys, I started out with nothing. I didn't have a push mower. I didn't even have a truck. I used all my dad's equipments. Now I decided to go full time kind of this year, actually dropping out of college, growing my lawn and landscaping business, taking on other sources of income, building other different things. But guys, I just want to reflect real quick on how I was able to grow a lawn business. Now, I think this is one of the best side hustles that I think anyone can start, guys. And truly, over these past 2 to 3 years of my life, I've learned so much from this business. I've really learned to grow, and more importantly, I found a way to really get a lot of customers. At age 20, 19, when people are out there hustling, well, guess what? You're gonna find a way to make money. So I wanna reflect real quick, guys. This is one of the first properties that I got, and I just wanna give you guys the best marketing strategy to grow your business. So what I want you guys to just get started with and understand is that yes, number one, you can actually make money, a lot of money mowing lawns this summer. Now for me, like I said, I started with a push mower. I went around knocking on doors. I had no customers, and now I went from 0 customers to over 40 weekly customers mowing lawns. That is absolutely insane. Every day making around $300 to $400 to $500 mowing lawns. Now for me, typically I have a little bit of help, but right now it's hard to find help. All the people that I'm working with are out on the landscaping crew. So guys, the business is running great, and I never thought that me going out there, knocking on doors, having a push mower, trying to find 1 to 2 customers every day would lead to a full-on business. That would change my life. That would open my eyes to the potential of serving others, as well as going out there and becoming the entrepreneur that I've always wanted to be. Guys, what I want to say is that no matter what business you're in, if you want to start this lawn care business, it is so much easier to grow if you're able to do these few points that I want to talk about. So guys, what I want to say is, number one, you could be concerned with competition. One of the biggest questions I get when I'm sharing on TikTok as well as through my YouTube channel, and that last video that I posted that's kind of going viral about me doing solo mowing, making $500 a day, is that how can I get started? There's so much competition out there, and that was a big fear of mine. And for you to just sit here on your computer to watch this video, I want you to understand that there's no such thing as competition. If you want to find a way to make money, you want to go out there and hustle, well, it's not going to matter because competition is all out there. But the abundance mindset, your ability to understand that I can go out there and make money. You might think that everyone has a company, everyone needs some service, but no, you are different than every company. So guys, one of the greatest things that I decided to use in my tool of tactics to start growing my lawn and landscaping business, my mowing business, I had 0 customers. I got my first customer. I was putting little I guess cliff notes, or I had little key things that I made that I was putting in people's mailboxes. I was doing whatever, I was advertising. But the truth is, people got the 1 call, and that's all I needed. I needed 1 call to launch my business. Now in a second, I'm gonna share through the platform that really grew my business and scaled it. But guys, all you need is 1 customer. Now in this business, any side hustle that you're trying to incorporate, any hustle, power washing, lawn mowing, landscaping, all you need is 1 customer. Because guys, this 1 customer here has the ability to refer you to their friend. This customer right here has the ability to go put you on Facebook. This customer right here has a friend that lives in the neighborhood that's going to need their lawn service cut. And guess what? If you show up every day, if I show up, Peter Roberts, at age 18 when I was going out there hustling, having no customers, and I could show up here and provide the best service I could possibly give this lady, well, guess what? She's going to be satisfied. She's going to be more than happy to pay me. And more importantly, she is going to be more than happy and more than likely willing to go out there and refer me. So the first way of business of growing my lawn and landscaping business without really accelerating or spending any money on marketing was first off betting on word of mouth. This is the greatest strategy for you to start making more money, $200 to $300 every day. Every day someone's gonna give you a new call. People are gonna start realizing that you're out there cutting grass. People are gonna start seeing that you're out here grinding, making money, mowing lawns. Well, guess what? If they're gonna support you, they're gonna give you a call and ask you to come service your property or their property. So guys, number one, there's no such thing as competition. And when you get your first client, well, they're gonna have the ability to spread your business like crazy. Now guys, probably most valuable tool that I want you guys to write down right now, if you don't have this app on your phone, you are missing out on so much potential. And honestly guys, this app transformed my business. If someone says, hey, how can I get more clients mowing lawns? How can I get more clients for my side hustles? I'm trying to make money on the weekend. What can I do, guys? This right here was the tactic, the tool that I used to gain 1 to 2 new customers every week that really allowed me to accelerate and grow my business. I literally had no customers until I started to advertise and market on this platform. And this platform was called the Nextdoor app. Now the Nextdoor app is similar to like a Facebook community but it's a Nextdoor community with people in your neighborhood around 15 to 20 miles in your radius. It's very great for any type of service-based business, and it truly accelerated and kind of even launched my lawn and landscaping business. Because what? People would post on here, hey, I need someone to cut my grass. Is there anyone that you know, or it would be like a recommendation. Who do you guys know in the community that can cut my grass? And guess what? On every person that I saw, for the 1 to 2 to 3 months when I was really trying to grow my business, I would DM them. I would say, hey, Sharon, my name is Peter Roberts. I am eager, I'm hungry, and I would love to service your property. Is there any way that I can come out here to give you a quote? And when can I get started? As soon as possible. I am here to help you. Thank you so much. I would leave my number. I can't wait to hear from you. Thanks, Peter Roberts. Now, this is the exact message I would pretty much send. Now, you can shake it up, send your little own words or your own details in there. But guys, this message allowed me to go find the customers. Now, this app is so incredible because people are out there searching for you and me. People are out there that are looking for teenagers. People are out there looking for someone who is hungry, motivated, that wants to make money. Guys, in 2021, people are afraid to get their hands dirty. People are not willing to go out there and hustle to make money on the weekdays, on the weekends, to make extra cash. And if you want to make extra cash in your life mowing lawns, then get the Nextdoor app, guys. Advertise on there, hit people up. Literally every day someone's gonna be saying, hey, I need my deck washed, or I need someone to come here to cut my grass. Literally DM them and go out there and start landing business. Now, the second way that you're gonna use this platform is literally posting on there, similar to a Facebook feed, similar to an Instagram post. You're gonna take a picture of the lawn that you do. Hey guys, am I here in the community? If there's anyone that needs a lawn service, please let me know. My number is, or DM me directly. I'd love to get you in the schedule. I would post that once or twice a week, and guess what? People would slide into my DMs, and now I was getting free traffic. People were understanding in the community that Peter Roberts, Passive Yardscape, my business was out here mowing lawns, and I started to grow like crazy. Guys, I went from 0 customers to 40 customers. And lastly, guys, the importance of doing great work. Now, some people want to make money, but nobody wants to go work for it. Nobody wants to go hustle, and nobody wants to do good work. Now, in the lawn industry, in the landscaping industry, in the service-based industry, I realized that I was growing my business so fast because of this last thing. Reliability, communication, appreciation for business, building a relationship with this person. Guys, this is more than you just going out there and cutting your grass or their grass. It's more about you going out there, building a relationship, you servicing their property on time, you showing up on time, you being grateful for their business, you going out there learning about their family, you go out there and meeting them, you go out there shaking hands, guys. There is so many ways for you to grow a business. Now, if you are willing or just trying to do this to make money, well, you might have trouble growing this business. But guys, after this year, I plan on selling this business to move on to other things. But the amount of customers that I build, all from handshakes, the amount of customers, the amount of referrals that I'm getting every day because people know that I'm going to show up and do a great job, the amount of referrals that I know that people are going to call me because they really enjoy my presence. They love talking to me. I spend more time typically communicating with my customers. I text them the day before. I text them after. I follow up. If you guys need anything, I am building a relationship every step of the way, guys. This is harder than people think. It takes communication. It takes power. But if you can build a strong relationship, you can love the people that you serve. You can have fun. They can feel that you're doing this more to help them rather than them paying you. Well, guess what? Your business is going to explode. So guys, I thought, how am I going to grow this business? Now, this video has taught you guys the little practical steps, the step-by-step aspects for you to start growing your business, and how I took something from nothing and grew it to something that I could never imagine. Sitting here on, June 8th, 2021, when I had the vision of starting this business, my friends, my parents said, there's no way you're going to start this business. People hated you. People were criticizing me. Dude, there's so much competition. How are you going to actually land this marketplace? How are you going to make money? Now, guys, people are praising me. In the community, everyone knows me. I built a name for myself. I built a reputation for my business. And more importantly, guys, on Facebook, people know me as the guy who's mowing lawns, as a landscaping company, the entrepreneur, the business guy. And so many opportunities have come my way off from mowing lawns. So guys, let me tell you what, mowing lawns, making $300-400 a day is very possible. Now you got to think about the fees. Everyone's going to say, oh, well, what about the mower cost? I literally started with a push mower. Now I have a Skag 32. I have commercial stand-on equipment. I have a trailer, I have a truck that I bought, guys, all from going out there mowing lawns, making $30, $40, $50, even $60,000 in the summer mowing lawns, guys, from $0. I decided to drop out of college. I decided to quit all the jobs that I had because now I knew as an entrepreneur, as a business guy, no matter what your business is, whether it's mowing lawns, cutting down trees, going out to becoming a plumber, if you do business the right way, if you tell people that you're going to be there and you show up on time, and guess what, you can build relationships with these people, you are never going to go broke in life. So guys, that is a little bit of my story. I just want to pop one here real quick, a little midday update. It is 11:52. We're out on property number 8 right now. We're going to be finishing up a little over $375 made in less than 4 hours mowing lawns, guys. The thing is, there's so much opportunity out there. There's so much ability for you to make money. And for me, this is just a kind of a side hustle. Now it's my main business, but now I have other things that I work on. But guys, this business has taught me so much. I want to help you guys grow, help you understand how to start growing a lawn or landscaping business, help you grow a business. But guys, I went out here and did it myself. No one believed in me. I believed in myself, and I knew I would find a way, and that's the exact strategy I did. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If any questions, comments, or concerns, I just love sharing my business stories with you. If you want me to kind of just talk about more about my lawn or landscaping business, my business adventures, my business journeys, this is the channel is for it. My TikTok, Instagram, all that stuff. Hit me up if you guys need anything. And lastly, guys, I'll leave you with 3 words. I love you. I care about you so much, and if you need anything, please just let me know, and I'll be here for you every step away. Use this message, use this ability to go out there and get those distractions, get that fear out of your head, and more importantly, destroy the competition, work with the competition, and start making yourself more money mowing lawns this summer. The best side hustle, I believe, the best way to make money this summer, and the best way for you to start your entrepreneurial journey. I love you guys so much. Cheers and take care. Peace.